If you don't listen to this show regularly or frequent Facebook pages, you might not yet have heard about Sight Reading Factory's new Auto Assess feature. I've been plugging back and forth with Don over at Sight Reading Factory quite a bit over the last few months in making my effort to try to help them make this product as good as it possibly can be. And I will tell you, they are responsive with anybody's concerns, but especially mine, since I go online and talk about them a lot to people. And I can tell you, my goodness, they are making this thing better and better. And my students have really started enjoying using the auto assess feature. And I've enjoyed not having to have assignments emailed to me so that I can listen to them and give feedback to them and then hopefully get them to retry something. It gives them that feedback instantly. The grading is becoming more and more accurate, and I just did a couple yesterday and had a really good experience with kids getting 97%, 96%, 99%, and they were getting really accurate feedback, but also really good logical grading. So make sure you go over to Sight Reading Factory if you have not yet already done that, and enter yourself as a member. Get the membership. It's only $35 a year, people, for your entire membership. And then you can get for around $2 a month memberships also added on for your kids, so you can send them these assignments and have them play sight reading video game. And even better, you can enter Corolosophy when you check out the whole order and get 10% every time you sign up and every time you renew.